Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to explain polynomials exercise 3.3 in the second bit. That is, if you given sum and product of the polynomial, how to find the quadratic polynomial by that. If you given sum and product, how to find the quadratic polynomial. Here the problem is given 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Exercise 3.3. Second bit, first problem, given 1 by 4 minus 1. These are the sum and product. Sum given for quadratic polynomial. In quadratic polynomial, sum of the roots alpha plus beta, that is equal to 1 by 4, and product given, product of the roots alpha into beta, that is equal to minus 1. Then find the quadratic polynomial. And here, general form of the quadratic polynomial is k of x squared minus x of sum of the roots plus product of the roots. K of x squared minus x of sum of the roots plus product of the roots. Listen, k of x squared minus x of sum of the roots here 1 by 4. Plus product of the roots minus 1. Okay, and now k of 4 is LCM here, by 1 4 is LCM here. 4 into x square, 4x square minus, okay, already we have 4 in denominator, so 1x plus into minus minus 4 into 1 4. Okay, 4x square minus 1 into x, 1x plus into minus minus 4 1 ja 4. Okay, whatever we got the denominator here, we got the denominator here 4. So take k value 4. K is here constant. So if k is equal to 4, then 4 into 4x square minus 1x minus 4 by 4. 4 cancel, we got the quadratic equation 4x square minus 1x minus 4. 4x square minus 1x minus 4. This is the process. If you given sum and product of the quadratic polynomial, sum and product of the quadratic polynomial, then how to find quadratic polynomial? Just the formula is k of x square minus x of sum of the roots plus product of the roots. That is k of x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. Just substitute in that, then you will get the, what is k here? Constant. Is that clear? Okay. We'll try another problem. Given that root 2 and 1 by 3. Second problem is given root 2 and 1 by 3. Then these are the sum and product. Sum and product. Then find the quadratic polynomial. Sum is root 2, product is 1 by 3. What's the formula? K of x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. K of x square minus x of, what is alpha plus beta? Root 2, alpha into beta 1 by 3. Okay, denominator is here 1. So 3 is the LCM. K of, if 3 is LCM, 3 into x square, 3x square minus 3 into root 2, 3 root 2 x plus 3 cancel 1. Okay, then let's take k value is 3 to get cancelled. If k value is 3, then 3 into 3x square minus 3 root x plus 1. 3x square minus 3 root x plus 1 by 3. 3 cancel, then remaining quadratic polynomial, that is 3x square minus 3 root x plus 1. Okay, this is the process. Is that clear? If you given sum and product, write down the formula and apply in that. Okay, now coming to third bit. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha and beta given in each case. If you given alpha and beta, in this case sum and product given. Okay, in third way, given alpha and beta individually. Given alpha and beta individually. Then what we have to do? Third bit. If you given alpha and beta, then yeah, find the quadratic polynomial. Given 2 minus 1. Take one is as alpha and another one is beta. Okay, 2 minus 1. Now write down the formula for quadratic polynomial. K of x square minus x of alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. Substitute in this. K of x square minus x of, what is alpha? 2 plus what is beta? Minus 1. Okay, and alpha is 2, beta is minus 1. K of x square minus plus into minus minus x of 2 minus 1 plus into minus minus 2 into 1, that is 2. Totally we got k of x square 2 minus 1 1 into x 1x minus 2. Okay, so here k value is 1. If k value is 1, then you will get the quadratic polynomial, that is x square minus x minus 2. That is the quadratic polynomial if you given alpha and beta roots are individually. This is the process. Okay, same process in second bit given sum and root. Already he did a sum and root, sum and product. Okay, in this case we have to do sum and product. Okay, that's the difference. Now coming to another problem, root 3 minus root 3. Root 3 minus root 3 given. In that take one is alpha is root 3 and beta is minus root 3. Now find the quadratic polynomial. What is the formula for quadratic polynomial? K of x square minus x of sum of the roots plus product of the roots. Okay, na? This is the now k of x square minus x of alpha plus beta. Alpha is root 3 plus beta is minus root 3 plus alpha is root 3 and beta is minus root 3. Close this. Now k of x square minus plus into minus minus, write down another step also, root 3 plus into minus minus root 3 plus into minus minus root 3 into root 3 root 3 square. Okay, here plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel, 0 0 into x 0. K of x square minus x into 0 minus root square cancel, then remaining is 3. If k is equal to 1, then you will get x square minus 3. This term is 0 now, 0 into x 0. So we got x square minus 3. This is the required quadratic polynomial if you given alpha and beta. Okay, this is the process. Now coming to fourth problem, verify that 1, minus 1 and 3 are the zeros of cubic polynomial. Okay, check the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Very interesting and important. Listen. Yeah. 1 minus 1 and 3. Fourth problem. 1 minus 1 3 are the zeros of cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial given? Cubic polynomial given x cube minus plus minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 minus x plus 3. Yeah. we have to check the relationship between zeros and quotients of the cubic polynomial. Okay, now listen. Take these are the alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, alpha is 1, beta is -1, and gamma is 3. Okay, and sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, okay, 1 plus -1 plus 3. 1 minus 1 cancel, 3. Okay, by coefficients alpha plus beta plus gamma, what's the formula? Minus b by e. Okay, here compare with the general form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. What is a here? 1. What is b? -3. So b is minus half, b is -3. Minus b is -3 by a is 1. Minus into minus plus 3 by 1 is 3. Okay, and product of two roots alpha into beta, beta into gamma, gamma into alpha, or alpha into gamma. That is equal c by a. That is equal c by a. What is c here? -1 by what is a? 1. -1 by 1, -1. Okay, we got these two are equal. Alpha into beta, beta into gamma, gamma into alpha. What is alpha, Nana? As per zeros, 1 into. What is beta? -1. Plus. What is beta? -1 into. What is gamma? 3. And gamma into alpha. Gamma is 3, alpha is 1. 1 into -1, -1. Plus into minus, minus. 1 into 3, 3. Plus 3 into 1, 3. -3 plus 3 cancel. We got -1. Okay, these two are equal. Okay. Now coming to alpha into beta into gamma. Okay, what's the formula? Minus d by a. Alpha into beta into gamma, minus d by a. Minus, what is d here? 3. By a is 1. Minus 3 by 1 is -3. Okay, as per zeros, alpha is 1, beta is -1, gamma is 3. 1 into -1, -1, -1 into 3, -3. Here also we got same. Okay, by this we can say that therefore verified. Okay, the relationship between zeros and quotients of the given cubic polynomial are equal. We got the equal, so hence verified. Is that clear? Okay, general sum by coefficients. We got say general product of two zeros and by coefficient. We got these are same, and product of alpha into beta into gamma, product of roots and by coefficients. We got same. Okay. Okay friends, by this problem exercise 3.3 is completed. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.